Pixel-perfect implementation of Axiom Grid token discovery tape, built using Next.js 14 app router, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. The focus of this task was performance, reusability, and an exact visual match to the original interface. The table includes all required tokens categories like new payers, final stretch, and migrate. Each interaction is designed to match real trading platform behavior. Token prices are updated in real time using a mocked WebSocket with smooth color transition to indicate price movements, similar to production trading system. Components are memorized and optimized to maintain good performance. The project is deployed on Vercel, follows atomic component architecture, and is built for use across the application. Thank you for watching.